Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you all are doing well. Okay. So, hopefully all of you all have done your tests well. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to learn 5 magic words. So what are magic words? These words you need to use in your day-to-day life. Okay. These words are very important. Okay, that you learn them and use them whenever it's necessary. Okay, so the first magic word will be thank you. What will the first magic word be? Thank you. When do you say thank you to somebody? When is it that you say thank you to somebody? When you're given something. Okay, if I give you a chocolate, you say thank you, miss. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so on your birthday, your mummy and daddy will gift you a present. So what are you supposed to say when you take the gift from them? You say thank you. Okay, and when you're not well, your grandmother, your grandfather, your father or mother, they look after you, right? So when they are helping you, they're feeding you, they're trying to nurse you, they're trying to do something for you, you have to say thank you for helping me. So you use the word thank you when somebody does something good for you, okay, or when somebody gives you something. All right, the next magic word is please. The next magic word is please. When are you supposed to say please? Usually when do you say please? Please mummy, I want to go outside and play. Please mummy, I want a chocolate. Yes, so when you want something very badly, you say please, right? So you have to say please when you need something. Okay, so when you need anything, like if you're going to a shop and you see an ice cream shop, you're going to ask your mummy, mummy please can you buy me an ice cream? Okay, so when you say please, a lot of things happen. Okay, a lot of good things happen when you say please. So always say please, can I have this? You have a friend in your class, okay, and your friend has a nice new crayon. So you're going to tell your friend, if you need a crayon from your friend, from somebody, you're going to say please can I have this color? So when you say please, somebody will willingly give you something. All right. So please is a form of request. You have to request to get something. All right. You always request to get something in hand. All right. Okay. The next magic word is sorry. When do you say sorry? Why do you say sorry? So you know why you all say sorry? When you knowingly or unknowingly hurt somebody. That's when you say sorry. Yes, so when you hurt your brother, or when you break your brother's toy, or when you don't listen to your parents and they're very angry with you, what should you say? You should say sorry. Okay, so when somebody is angry with you, you have to apologize and say sorry. Okay, you can't break anybody's things and then run away. Or you can't just do something bad and go off. You have to say sorry. Okay, sorry is a very important word and you have to accept that you're sorry very humbly. Okay, the next word is excuse me. What is the next word? The next magic word is excuse me. When do you use this word? When is it that you use this word? Excuse me is said when you interrupt. Okay, so suppose I am sitting in the classroom and you come late to school. So you cannot just come and run and sit down in your bench. What should you do? You must say, excuse me miss, may I come in? Okay, so when you say excuse me, okay, the gesture is gentle. You just cannot run inside. That is not manners. Okay, children. So when you hurriedly enter into the classroom, that is not manners. You wait at the door and say, excuse me miss, may I come in? Okay. And when your mummy and daddy are talking, they must be discussing something very important, and you want something. You want a box of chalk, or you want a box of crayons, or you're feeling very hungry. When they are talking, you just don't go running to them and hurriedly interrupt. Okay, you should not disturb people when they are talking or discussing anything. What do you have to do? You have to say, excuse me mummy, excuse me daddy, can I talk to you? Request them. Okay, excuse yourself before you interrupt them. So then they will wait and they will listen to you. Okay children? So like if 3 of us are talking, so 3 teachers are talking, and you need to borrow a book from your friend. So you are going to say, excuse me miss, can I take that girl's book? Can I take his book? Okay, so you need to excuse yourself before you interrupt anyone. Okay, the last magic word is welcome. So usually welcome is used when you have guests home. So you are going to welcome the guests, right? You are going to say, welcome auntie to my house, or welcome uncle to my house. You greet them and ask them to come inside your house. Okay? So other than that, when are you going to say welcome to somebody? I give you a gift, you say thank you. In return, what do? I need to say welcome. Okay? So usually, suppose it's my birthday and you have given me a gift, I will say thank you. So to my thank you, what are you going to respond? You are going to say, you're welcome. Okay? So welcome is a good gesture. Okay? You are going to say you're welcome when somebody says thank you to you. Alright? Okay children, so these 5 magic words are very, very important. Okay, please use thank you when you are given something. When you receive a chocolate or a book or a present or anything from anybody, say thank you. When you want something or you need something very urgently, or you're very hungry and you want food, say please mummy, give me to eat, I am hungry. So when you say please, it's a kind gesture, it's a request. Okay, so you have to request for something, you say please. You say sorry. Okay, when do you say sorry? When you have hurt somebody, or when you have unknowingly hurt somebody, or you have harmed them, or if you have broken their toys. If you break your brother's pencil, your brother will be sad, right? So you need to say sorry. Okay? Excuse me. When do you say excuse me? When you interrupt people who are talking, or you interrupt a class, you want to go to the restroom, or you want to take something from your bag, you say excuse me, may I get up and go take my bag, or excuse me, may I go to the restroom ma'am. Okay, so you need to say excuse me before you interrupt a class or your parents or anybody from talking. Okay, and the last one is welcome. So I told you, when somebody is come to your house, you say welcome to my house uncle, or welcome to my house auntie. So you welcome them inside your house. The other welcome is when you receive a present, you say thank you, and when you give a present, when somebody says thank you, you respond to them saying you're welcome. Okay children, remember to use these words every day. Alright? Thank you children.